Hi, I'm Marna, and we just got back from a trip to South Dakota, and we visited with our dear friends, the Andersons. And I have some gifts, and I have to tell you, I was so excited to see them. Cheryl makes this. I'm amazed that this got home with us and wasn't eaten before.
You wouldn't let me eat it.
I told him I wanted it for the for the video. That's for my cameraman. I'm going to let him go at this as soon as this video's over. Cheryl makes the best carrot cake on earth. Everything is from scratch. There is, the nuts and everything involved. And it is the sour cream icing. This is so good.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Can you hear my mouth watering? It honestly is. Another bite from my cameraman, who was a good boy and did not eat that. Cheryl also surprised me. She and Ashlyn with the coolest stuff. A store closed in Belle Fourche. I was really sad to see that or hear that. It's called Rob's. They had all kinds of weird items from time to time. Look what she got me. Of just all these little Chelseas. Isn't this the coolest? Like, oh, Darren will want that. Every crumb Darren will want.
Yeah, which is speak faster.
And even this little guy. How cute are these? I love these little dolls. They're just the cutest, and they come with the cutest little shoes. No, I'm not going to open them, but look at this little tie-dye outfit. Every one of them has different shoes. Aren't they cute? These are my favorite, the sandals. And then this one is the mermaid, and she has a tail, and it looks like she had a little barrette in her hair that fell out, but I'm leaving it. And then little yellow shoes. I like the sandals. Very, very cute. My young friend, who I did not get to spend enough time with, I used to send the beginner craft stuff to her. I did not know she was still into dolls. Look what she crocheted me. This is for, I'm going to put it on my mini Blythe. Isn't that beautiful? Look at her little pom-poms. They're just so cute. I love this. Love, love, love this. Love this family. Ashlyn just means the world to me. Like my own granddaughter. I love this family. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. No, not yet, Darren. And subscribe.